this is a pretty color. Oh no, I gotta try out this one. Sophie, where are you? Over here. Sophie, what was so important that you had to interrupt a new episode of SoCraftastic the series? Well, what do you think? Sophie, you look so different. Yeah, I had a little makeover. We're having a family reunion and I have to look fabulous so that everyone will say, Sophie, you look amazing. And then I'll say, yes, I know. Wow. Oh, come on, Carmen. You know Anna's gonna be there acting like she's all great, so I have to be greater. Sophie, you know that reunions are not about outshining your cousins. Seriously, Carmen, what else are they for? I don't know, maybe getting to know your family? Carmen, do you even know me? Well, I know that outfit is not you. You're right. I need something quirky that shows off my complex personality while drawing attention to my fabulous face. Wow. There's gotta be something over here that will be perfect for the reunion. What about this? I love Care Bears. Yeah, this is perfect. Hipster jeans with a Care Bear tank top. It's like I'm fashionable and not even trying. What time is the reunion supposed to start? Oops. Now? I better go. Thanks, Carmen. I just left my famous homemade pies in the kitchen. Thank you. You know we can't have a family reunion without your famous pies. Is there anything else we can do for you, honey? Oh no, we've got it all under control. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Where is your sister?
Mom, Sophie will be here any minute. She wouldn't miss the family reunion, would she?
She better not. We've had family fly in from all over the world, and some had to take portals.
Wait, what?
Chloe, can you help me with my bags?
Sophie, where have you been?
Shopping. I needed something fabulous to wear.
People have already started to arrive for the family reunion.
What's the big deal, Chloe? I'm either going to see family members that I see all the time, or meet some random cousin that I haven't seen since I was 3 who tells stories of how we used to play in the sandbox that all the neighborhood cats used as a litter box.
First, let me say, ew. And second, I think you're looking at this whole family reunion thing all wrong.
Oh yeah? And how should I be looking at it?
As an opportunity to get to know your family?
I totally agree. Sophie, I feel like we should get to know each other better. Wow, really? Cousin Anna? Yeah, did you know I'm like besties with Queen Elsa? I only hang out with royalty. And on that note, I'm out of here. Wait, don't you want to hear about the time that Elsa made me an honorary princess? I am the closest you'll ever get to royalty.
Anna, maybe you should, have a seat.
I am, really important.
Yeah, just come with me.
Wow. This family reunion is turning out exactly like I thought. I wish I could meet someone interesting. You rang? Fairy godmother, what are you doing here? Well, this is a family reunion, is it not? Well, yeah. And I'm a part of the family, so here I am. And what are you doing here, sitting all alone? Get up and mingle, or I will turn you into a frog. I have done it before. That lady still calls herself Froggy. Okay, I'll socialize. Maybe I can just go and hide upstairs. Wait, what's that on the wall? Woo, next time I think I'll take a train. Traveling by portal leaves a ringing in my ears. Oh, hello there. You must be Sophie. I am your great aunt. Did you just travel by portal? Of course, dear. It's the only way to travel between worlds. Well, in this dimension anyway. Wait, you travel between worlds? Yes, dear. Don't you know about your family? Well, actually, wait a minute. What is that smell? Is that your grandma's famous pies? We'll catch up later. Okay. But I would really like to hear about all of that interdimensional travel stuff. That sounds pretty cool. Wait. Maybe I shouldn't go upstairs. Let me go see who's out in the garden. Race you to the lilies! Tink, you got a head start. That's not fair. Whoa! Fairies? Hey, cuz. No way, we're cousins? Yeah, on your mom's side. That means I'm part fairy too. Are either one of you like fairy princesses by any chance? No, we're just fairies. Common fairies. Don't pay any attention to her. So, how can I get a pair of wings? Think happy thoughts! That is kind of difficult to do when you're flying upside down towards a wall. Uh-oh, that's not good. What's up, cuz? Oh, and don't worry about crushing Mom's flowers with your spaceship. We'll replant in the spring. My family is so cool! All right, so let's recap here. I'm part alien, fairy, whatever she is, and from Wakanda? Princess Shuri is at my family reunion! That means we're related, right? Yes, on your father's side. Hello. That means I'm a princess! Well, I'm in line for the throne. One day, I could be the queen of Wakanda. You are number 170, but what I'm hearing is that I'm in line for the throne. What? There is no way Sophie is royalty and I'm not. Sorry to break it to you, Anna, but you're looking at the future queen of Wakanda. No. Wakanda forever! Ugh, I can't even. Man, I love this family reunion. So let's talk about getting some vibranium. Or a super suit. You make those, right?
This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. This is me, I'm still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, a champion. Yeah, all I wanna do is just say, you don't understand how I play.
We want to give a shout out to Anna Wilson. What's up? That family reunion was the best. I learned so much about myself. So I knew I was part mermaid, but I had no idea that I was part alien and fairy. And let us not forget a princess from Wakanda. And I have an auntie who travels by portal. You know, I was really worried that somebody was going to tell an embarrassing story from my childhood, and not a one. Excuse me! When Sophie and I were like 3, I caught her eating dog biscuits. They were shaped like little sandwich cookies, so she had no idea. She ate like 3 before Chloe came over and told her. Thanks, Cousin Anna. Well, embarrassing story? Check. And that's my family. This is Sophie Darbie, signing off. See you next time!